Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a ribbon pour. And I'm using, now this gold, I've already poured it all, layered it in my cup. There's the cup. Whites, golds. Let me go through it. I mixed up my own gold. I use Liquitex Basics Bronze Yellow. In this, to make my gold, I use that and Naples, Liquitex Naples Yellow, Folk Art Inca Gold Metallic, Craftsmart Metallic Gold, Master's Touch Metallic Gold, and I used a little bit of gold mica powder. So the gold that you see in here, the different layers, is what I made. I made it out of all those colors over here. So let me get those out of the way now that I've showed you. And I'm not even sure why I did it that way, but and then the other colors in there, of course, are the white, which is basically a gloss white with Floetrol, glue-all, and silicone. All of the colors have Floetrol, glue-all, and silicone in them. And I'm also using the Folk Art Plum / Prune Metallic. Very pretty color. Love it. One of my favorites. And this is another one that I made myself. Master's Touch Purple Red is what I call it. And it's with iridescent medium. And basically I make it out of Master's Touch Crimson Red, Master's Touch Purple, and Master's Touch Violet. And like I said, they all had the silicone in there, or the coconut oil, one or the other, if not both. And I'm not doing any base coat on this. I think I got plenty in my cup for the ribbon pour, I hope. Sure looks like it. This is a, I think it's a 12 by 16. Let's take a look here. We've got, this is, yep, 12 by 16. And I've already got the tape on the back and the push pins. The tape doesn't seem to be sticking too well, and I'm not sure why. I'm not liking that. Okay, so since I've already got it all layered in the cup, I am just going to start pouring. Oh, I did rub some of the coconut oil down in the cup before I layered it with the paint. So here we go. I'm just gonna start right here. All right. Still quite a bit in there. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, goodness, I got the dropsies again today. Not good. Yeah, looks like I'm not level either. Alright, let's see. Let me get out the torch. We'll torch it up. See some pretty cells happening already. Alright, let's do that. Put it right there. One of these bubbles. Alright. Leave that handy. And let's tilt. Let's tilt this. I'm already loving these colors. I have a feeling I might like them a lot. Because I love the purples and the reds and golds. You definitely have plenty of paint on here. For sure. I have plenty of paint. Come on now. There you go. And now, we can go this way. And here. I really don't want to lose. Let's go here. This. Okay. There you go. And there. And then back. Look like we got a river going on. Come on. There you go. Alright. And back. Oh, I'm liking it. It's very pretty. Pretty pretty. Not sure. Let me think about it for a minute. It's very pretty. Trying to decide. Do I want to take more of it off or not? I'm not sure. Just a little over there. I like that. I think I'm going to leave it just like that because it's so pretty. So here you go. I'm trying to do a close-up without making a mess. Hope you can see it. It's very pretty. And right there. I hope it's all covered. I'm not sure. I can't see it very well. Oh, still got. I'm gonna put a little bit up there. Let me bring it over that way a little bit to make sure we got it all covered. Come on. There you go. Alright, I think we've got it now, right? Oh yeah, very pretty. Gorgeous. Okay, so let me get this gloves off before I drip right in there and make a mess. And then you will do a little bit more torching. Pretty. Loving these colors. Very pretty. Okay, here we go. I think we have it. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that little bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. If you'd like to watch more videos of mine. And I do appreciate all my subscribers. I'm trying to get to 500, but I got one ways to go yet. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you soon. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.